Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete Instagram login account information. The first thing will be to open our Instagram application and enter our profile. Then we will click on the top drop-down menu and then on Settings and Privacy. Then go to the Account Center. In this window, you will have to go down and click on the Password and Security option. Then tap on Saved Login. To remove your login information, turn off the Saved Login switch. After that, confirm the action with Remove. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.